As every corner of the globe is impacted by COVID-19, here at Echoes International we are issuing a call to prayer. This week we turn to South Asia. In this populous region, the virus is starting to spread. Unprepared healthcare systems, dense urban areas, huge refugee camps and political instability in many South Asian countries all leave people vulnerable. However, so far, these countries have yet to see the devastating number of deaths that Europe has experienced. Pray that COVID-19 does not wreak havoc on this region and its people are spared. Pray for South Asia. India. India went into sudden lockdown with catastrophic effects on migrant workers who returned home to their villages without transport or money. The lockdown is now easing in parts, but people living in poverty are dependent on charities or the government to survive. Indian healthcare systems are not able to cope with the pandemic and they lack personal protective equipment. The lockdown has highlighted inequalities in India, and the economic impact of the virus will be felt for a long time. Pray for India. Nepal. Nepal has not experienced any COVID-19 deaths as yet, although there have been a jump in reported cases. Nepal's tourism sector has been badly affected by border closures and cancelled flights. With a weak government and allegations of corruption in aid distribution, Nepal is not best placed to cope with an outbreak. Pray that the small church in Nepal would be bold in the midst of fear and discrimination. Pray for Nepal. Pakistan. Healthcare in Pakistan is unprepared to deal with coronavirus. Pakistan reports much lower infection rates than expected, although there are stories of an unexplained rise in deaths in some areas. Pakistan's economy is suffering, with poor people most affected. Many in the Christian community work for daily wages and have been most affected by the universal lockdown. Church buildings have been closed. Pray for isolated Christians to know God's comfort and blessing during this time. Pray for Pakistan. Pray for South Asia. Please join with us in praying for South Asia at this time.